my name is Eddie Tofpik. I'm Head of Technical Analysis and Senior Markets Analyst at ADM Investor Services International Limited. And here is your daily technical analysis of Brent crude oil and spot gold.
Nice Brent crude oil futures. Now, an interesting bearish black crow yesterday. There was also day two in a two-day separating lines pattern, typically seen as a bearish pattern, both traditionally and via the data. However, these two sessions are in the wrong place, as in at the top of the market, rather than in the flow lower of a general move, which is a bit of an issue. But anyway, let's carry on. Overhead, we have the dark blue highlighted neckline of the late July to early November 2023 head and shoulders top, currently at 90.36. And further above, we have the congestion at the lesser Fibonacci line at 92.07, before we see the bright red upper trend line, currently at 93.35, of the December 2023 to date bull channel, currently 83.76 to 93.35. Now, this bright red bull channel is the main driver in showing the market higher since late last year. Meanwhile, below we have the 50% Fibonacci line, the November 2020 to March 22 move at 87.41, as well as the October 2018 high at 86.67. So far today, a small dip down to the lesser Fibonacci line at 87.99, which held up the market yesterday before a pullback up. But we're in the main body of yesterday's action, so it's though over the period of the close, but we're still in the main body of yesterday's action, so it's not really that far. Spot gold. An indecisive doji cross yesterday, capped topside by the bright red highlighted middle line, currently at 23.59, with the early October to mid-February 2023 bullish Andrews pitchfork. The market punched down through the base of the previous session's action onto the lesser projected Fibonacci line at 23.26, but failed to exploit it. I'm now having thoughts about whether the action of the last week and a half may be part of a possible bearish halfway hesitation. More on this should it develop, but it's still a fairly nascent thought at the moment. I cannot give a target below as yet, though as an idea I can give you this. We're down in the 22.50 zone. The next supports below are around the projected Fibonacci levels at 22.97 to 23.01, so it's interesting to watch what will happen there. Now, so far today, a move down almost from the open, adding further to the idea of a bearish halfway hesitation or even a bear flag, though not as yet testing any supports, and it's looking like a bearish opening black Mariposa at the moment.
Thank you for listening. This short version broadcast gives essential market patterns and consequences. Please be aware of the risk disclaimer posted both at the front and the back of this broadcast. Copyright is Eddie Tofpik and ADM Investor Services International Limited. And here comes the final important bit.